Hello dear students, this session I am going to discuss about one wonderful equation which is very helpful for competitive exams. So this is higher order question. You can identify when solving the question. So that is nothing but when phosphorus react in basic medium, it form phosphine. This is the phosphine formula. And H2PO2 minus. This name is hypophosphate ion. Hypophosphate ion. Okay, students. Phosphorus react with pH3. Phosphorus react with base to form phosphine pH3 and sodium hypophosphate or potassium hypophosphate. If you take sodium hydroxide, sodium hypophosphate. If you take potassium hydroxide, potassium hypophosphate. This is the equation. Now you can identify phosphorus in free state, oxygen state is 0. Now here pH3, what is the oxygen state of phosphorus? X plus 3 into plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. So phosphorus has minus 3 oxygen state. Now H2PO2 minus. This 2 into plus 1 plus x, 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Plus 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Sorry, here 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So that is equal to minus 4 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to plus 1. From this equation, what I observed, phosphorus in free state is 0 oxygen state, 0 to minus 3 decreases, that's why it is called reduction. Now 0 to plus 1 increases, increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. So same element undergoes both oxidation and reduction. From phosphorus to minus 3, reduction takes place. From phosphorus to plus 1, oxidation takes place. The same reaction undergoes in the redox reaction, same element gives different oxidation states and different compounds. Same element undergoes both oxidation and reduction from different compounds. This type of reaction is called disproportionation reaction. This type of reaction is called disproportionation reaction. Now you can see how to balance this equation. It's a wonderful question, students. So try to observe this concept. Phosphorus in the presence of basic medium, it gives phosphine and hypophosphate ion, H2PO2 minus. Basic medium rules already I uploaded. You can go through that rules. Rule number 1, balance other than oxygen hydrogen atom. Other than oxygen hydrogen atom, I have phosphorus P4, and here you have only one phosphorus. You can multiply with 4. I have here one phosphorus, multiply with 4. But I am giving one trick. How to identify oxidation and reduction? Let us consider the reactants 2 times. Let us consider reactants 2 times. P4 plus P4 gives rise to pH3 plus H2PO2 minus. This is the equation. Balance other than oxygen hydrogen atoms. Here I have 4 phosphorus, here I have 4 phosphorus. You can multiply with 4 pH3. You can multiply with 4 H2PO2 minus. Now you can see P4 gives rise to 4 pH3. Here 0. Here we have 4 phosphorus atom, 12 hydrogen atom. That is equal to 0. 4x plus 12 into plus 1 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to minus 12. X is equal to minus 3. Got it? Or 4x atoms is equal to minus 12. Why? Because I have 4 phosphorus atom and I have 4 phosphorus atoms in the product side also. So 0 to minus 12, change in oxidation state is 12. So 0 to minus 12, oxidation number decreases, that is called reduction. Oxidation number decreases, that is called reduction. How many units decreases? 12 units decreases. So this is for 1 phosphorus to pH 3. So why I am taking here 2 reactants? If you take one reactant, it will get confused. So I am considering as 2 reactants, phosphorus. Now similarly, you can take second phosphorus. Second phosphorus, here to here what happens you can see. Phosphorus in free state is 0. Now you can see H2PO2 minus. I have 4 H2PO2 minus. 4 into 2 just 8 hydrogen atoms. 8 hydrogen atoms. 4 phosphorus atoms. And 4 to just 8 oxygen atoms. 8 oxygen atom. And you can identify 4 stoichiometric coefficient and the base power superscript to have sign, that is equal to minus 4. You can equalize to minus 4. Now you can substitute 8 into plus 1 plus 4x plus 8 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Then 4x is equal to minus 4 plus 8, that is equal to plus 4. 4x is equal to plus 4. Now you can see 0 to plus 4 oxidation number what happened? 0 to plus 4 oxidation number increases. 0 to plus 4 oxidation number increases. Oxidation number increases is called oxidation. Understood this, students? So this is the process. Balance other than oxygen nitrogen atom. P4 plus P4 gives rise to 4pH3 plus 4H2PO2 minus. I have balanced the phosphorus. Now one reactant free state 0, 4 phosphorus has minus 12 oxidation state, 4 phosphorus has plus 4 oxidation state. Here to here reduction, here to here oxidation. Let us see here. Okay, students, you can take the screenshot. Now rule number 2. Identify oxidation reduction reaction. Yes, identified. Reduction how many units? 12 units. Oxidation how many units? 4 units. Cancel the common factor. So reduction 3, oxidation 1, and cross multiply the change in oxidation number. Reduction multiply with 1, oxidation multiply with 3. Reduction multiply with 1, P4 gives rise to 4pH3. Oxidation multiply with 3, 3p4 gives rise to 12H2PO2 minus. So cross multiply the change in oxidation state. Third rule also completed. Now fourth rule enna? Balance negative charges. Add electrons. So this is minus 12. This is minus 12. This side I have 0. So to balance the negative charges, add hydroxyl ions. Balance negative charges, add hydroxyl ions. So this side I have 0, this side minus 12. I want to balance the negative charges. You can add hydroxyl ion this side. So now 12 hydroxyl ions plus 4p4 gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12H2PO2 minus. Okay. Now balance oxygen hydrogen atoms, add water molecules. This is the rule. Now you can see here I have 12 hydrogen atoms. This side I have 4 3s, 12 hydrogen atoms. This side I have 12 2s, 24 hydrogen atoms. So I have how many hydrogen atoms? 36 hydrogen atoms. Here I have how many hydrogen atoms? 12 hydrogen atoms. How many hydrogen atom deficient? 24 hydrogen atoms deficient. So that's why I am adding 12 water molecule this side. Okay, students, this is the final equation. What is the final equation? 4p4 plus 12 OH minus plus 12 water molecules gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12 H2PO2 minus. In all the cases 4 is common the term 4 P4 plus 3 OH minus plus 3 H2O gives rise to pH3 plus 3 H2PO2 minus. So this is the equation, students. This is the final balanced equation. Almost everything completed. Okay, students. Thank you very much.